Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to reveal a secret of tracking the FIIs. So those who follow me, as you all know, I track the FIIs a lot and I track their average buying position, buying price, average selling prices, and at which strike prices they are present, whether they are buying or selling. Okay, so there are several data points which can help you, but out of which one data can specially help you a lot. So that's what I'm going to reveal in this video. So let's go back to 31st of July, when I even warned you that on Twitter, clearly I warned everyone on Twitter that data is not supporting this up move. So Nifty was trading around 19,700 to 750, and then within just a few trading days, not even 1 week, Nifty came down to 19,300, right? So during that time, what was happening is FIIs were taking futures short positions, okay, and I tracked their average selling price, and that's why I was very confident that market was going to come down below that level. So for that, what are the data points we are going to need? So let's go to that. So you need to come to nse.india.com /all -reports -derivatives. And there you'll get these data: FNO participant wise trading volumes, FNO participant wise open interest, and the other data that you are going to need is FNO FII derivative statistics. Okay, so now this is the thing that is you will see that in money control also they give these futures data, that is FIIs have sold for on 3rd August they have sold for almost 3.5 k crores, and on 4th August they have, the last day, they have bought for 1100 crores in the futures. So how is this calculated? Okay, and also looking at this data here in for the FIIs index option, can you conclude the same? That is, if you look at, FIIs have bought for 19,586 crores, so market is going to rally. Okay, so that's not it. You have to understand how this is calculated. Okay, so these are all the things that we are going to discuss in this video. So hello everyone, I'm Orkopro Dash, and today I welcome you to another learning video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first, we'll come to the data, that is, we'll compare. Okay, so that is FNO participant wise open interest. So that you have to like download the current one and the previous one, okay, to compare. So to compare the change in OI. So this is the data of 4th and this is the data on 3rd. Okay, now if you compare here, you will see that FIIs have done some buying. They have done some buying in the futures, okay, and they have reduced their positions in the futures, short positions. Okay, so they have reduced some of the short positions. Now these buying positions, okay, at what average price have they bought? So, and whether they have bought in Nifty or whether they have bought in Bank Nifty, how do we know that? Okay, so sometimes you have seen that I have mentioned that mainly their positions are in Nifty or in Bank Nifty. So how do I do that? Okay, so for that, now we will come to the next data, which is this is the volume. Okay, so this is FNO participant wise volume. Now you should understand what is volume. So volume is nothing but this. Suppose this is the 56019. This is the volume of FIIs in futures long positions on 4th of August. So this is the traded quantity on 4th of August by the FIIs. Okay, so now let's come to the third data point, which is going to help us, which is the FIIs statistics. Okay, derivative statistics data. So here it's clearly mentioned, if you see that index futures the whole thing is given, and also the breakup is given, that Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, Nifty futures. Okay, and also in index option the same thing has been done. So now first let's go and look at index futures. Okay, index futures, this is the amount of buying in crores. Okay, so Control C, now you open your calculator and paste it there, and now the selling amount in crores, okay, we are going to select that minus that, and you see 1104.93. so now let's go back here. Now you see 1104.93. so that's how this data is generated. Okay, so now this data is like overall index options. So as we just saw here, let's go back, that is index futures. So it's the overall Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty. Okay, so now we can similarly also go and look at individually. So individually, if you see that, let's go to Nifty. So here Nifty, so Nifty, okay, so let's clear this out. This is the buying and this is the selling. Okay, and so here you see that the difference, yeah, so you say that money flow is positive for the futures in Nifty, that is 293.81 crores. Okay, but you should understand that how this is calculated. Okay, this is calculated according to this thing, that is, it's also written here, but let me tell you in short, that is the number of contracts. Okay, the number of contracts multiplied by the place or the strike price or whatever, the spot price or the futures price where they are taking the the positions. Okay, so let me do the calculation so that you better understand. Okay, so now let's suppose we want to figure out that on 4th of August, so this is the 4th of August data, you want to know that where what is the average, so we can't know exactly what are the prices where they have bought. Let's go for an average price which will give us a fair idea, okay, where their positions are. So since they have done some long positions on Friday, which is 4th of August, so let's find out that where at what average price they have taken this for. Okay, so Nifty futures, okay, so this is the buying price, so I'll select that and I'll paste it here. Okay, and now this is in crores, so let's multiply it by 10 to the power 7. Okay, now I'll divide it by the number of contracts that was traded. Okay, so dividing it, I get this, and now each of these contracts, so the lot size is 50. Okay, so I'll further divide it by 50. So now you see that it's 19,547. So this is in the futures price, not the spot price. Okay, so they have their average price of buying on 4th of August, the futures, I'm saying the futures buying, so that was at an average price of 19,547. So isn't it very beautiful? Like, you got to know a very, very important level for the next trading days. Okay, because you know that their futures average buying positions is at 19,547. Okay, so that means if that is the average, so you can also think that they have started buying from 19,000, maybe a little even lesser than that also, 19,520 or maybe 30. Okay, so anyways, that gives you a very, very fair idea where the FIIs are. Okay, and similarly, like, you can come and get hold of Bank Nifty as well. So in Bank Nifty, let's do the similar thing. So Control C, Control V. So this is something which you won't be getting anywhere. So let's multiply with 10 to the power 7. Okay, and now we'll divide it by the number of contracts traded. And lot size in Bank Nifty is 15. So dividing by 15. So you see it's 44,950. Okay. So isn't this beautiful? So this is something which you won't, I mean, I haven't seen anyone posting this data analysis. So I hope you are enjoying it. So please don't forget to put a like in the video as we move forward. And if you are learning something, so please do subscribe to the channel so that you get daily analysis videos and also learning videos. And yes, so now let's proceed further. So similarly here for the selling also you can do the same thing. Okay, so let's come and do one for the selling. So let's go to Nifty. So sell amount in crores. So this is the amount, Nifty futures. Okay, so let's paste it and then we'll multiply by, so this is in crores, so let's multiply by 10 to the power 7. Okay, then we'll divide it by the number of contracts traded, and then the lot size, which is 50, and see it's 19,546. Okay, so that's where, I mean, they have we have seen that the OI has decreased, so they have sold some of the positions. So that's the average price. So since this is the average, so you can think that they have also might have sold it for a little higher than this price as well. So anyway, you get this idea where exactly what's the average price of them in the futures. And not only that, you also get an idea that whether their positions are more heavier, you see the amount also. Okay, and you also see the number of contracts traded. So you get to know that in which index they are heavily trading. Okay, so that's the idea also what you get from there. And so what do we so we got to know from this, that is in which index in futures the FIIs are trading mostly, and what's their average price in futures of selling and of buying. And so one more thing, this is you have to track it every day. Okay, and you have to track this every day and keep a note of it, so that one day you see that yes, I mean, they have bought at this level, but it can happen that the last time they bought was at let's for example, let's suppose 19,300. Okay, so then you have to now further average those. So we saw that they have bought for 19,550 on 4th of August. Let's suppose on 3rd of August they have bought at 19,300. Okay, so then I mean, you have noted this down. Okay, I'm taking an example. So then the average will be now 19,300 plus 19,550 divided by 2. So that, I mean, exactly it's not divided by 2, but do it like this to get an fair idea. Okay, an average idea that where their positions are. If you want to do it exactly, I'll explain it in the next part of this video. Okay, so that how do you get this way, I mean, exactly without dividing it by 2, how you can even get it to some level of higher accuracy. Okay, so that's the thing, we got to learn these things. And now coming to option index is a little complicated. Okay, why? Because here when they are saying buy, so in futures buy means long and sell means short, but here buy means put buy and call buy together. Okay, so I'll show you with proof. So if you note this quantity 186,91368. So let's go to the trading volumes data. So here if you add up these two, that is call buying and put buying. Okay, so you'll see that this is the same amount. So this is nothing but the sum of these two. So this is the amount you are getting, so which is exactly matching there. Okay, and similarly in the selling also it would match. So the thing is that here we are getting that, yes, let's come back. So here we are getting that call buy and put buy are together calculated, and call short and put short are together calculated. Then how do we handle this data? So this I'm going to discuss in the next part. Okay, what you can say from this data and what you cannot. And yes, so thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning. And if you got to learn something, please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitter for market live analysis. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.